Yeah, welcome to this new episode, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable background app refresh on iPhone. With your iPhone background app refresh, all the application will be running on the background and they'll be updating automatically. Aside from the fact that this application can consume a lot of data on your iPhone, they can also drain your iPhone battery quickly. Now, to turn off background app refresh on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, you need to scroll down and click on General. Then under General, click on Background App Refresh. And here you have a list of all applications refreshing themselves on your iPhone. With this will drain your iPhone battery quickly. And of course, it will heat up a lot of data on your iPhone. So all you need to do is you can either disable all the background app refresh on your iPhone by using the turn off button. And once you hit the turn off button, you see all the application refreshing on your iPhone background disabled. However, if you want to refresh some application on your iPhone occasionally or conditionally, you can just choose Wi-Fi so that each time you connect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone will refresh the background application, or choose Wi-Fi on mobile and then hit the back button. Once you choose Wi-Fi on mobile, you can just select some application that you don't want to refresh on your iPhone background. Then hit the back button. Then once you're satisfied with this application, there you go. So this application will stop refreshing in the background section of your iPhone until you open the application. No notifications or information about this application will pop on your iPhone. So this is how to enable background refresh on your iPhone, or on how you can easily turn off background refresh on your iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.